midnight confessions or downloads. One of the most loving things you can do for yourself is learn to hear through all the noise. And when I say hear, I don't mean with these. I mean with this. To hear with this through all of the noise. To see here and hear here. It takes daily practice. It takes commitment, and it takes failing over and over and over and over until we finally make it a daily practice. And even then, sometimes, it can be hard. But that's okay. Because if it were easy, what would be the point? There would not be any contrast or any joy or the full spectrum requires the full spectrum. Feeling the pain, feeling the pleasure, feeling the love, feeling the disconnect. And when we have that broadness of perspective, of awareness, of experience, just like the way that I look shifts in the shadows, in the dark. This is our perspectives. This is our realities. This is our opportunities. What are you looking at? What perspective? And then, are your eyes open? Are you looking all around? Or are you scared and looking down? Or are you just completely withdrawn? Or do you not even know? Explore you. I promise you, it's not as scary as you think.